not gonna be good. I know, because it's gonna shake a lot. Oh no. Dear heavens. I'm a bit of scared. This is not gonna be good. Oh, it's good. Oh no, shit. Holy shit, what the fuck was that sound? Bruh, that was scary. Bruh, this washing machine is evil. No. Let's try again. I hope this time the motor doesn't burn. Oh, here we go again. No, no bad boy. Oh my dear heavens. That was... I don't know what to say. I mean, this washer is very scary. I cannot say this is good. Okay, please, dear heavens. Oh no. Oh, do you hear that sound? Is it from motor? Oh dear heavens. Oh no, not again. Holy! Oh my god. This is not good. Where'd all this water come from? Don't tell me it's from the washer. Oh, and yes, fuck, is leaking. Oh shit. I have no idea where the fucking leaking is coming from. But I hope it doesn't broke. Oh, dear heavens.